Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and send an email marketing campaign on Odoo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here at odoo.com if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, go there, and the first thing you're going to do is go and log into your account. So if you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page. You're greeted by the main page of Odoo, from where we can get started with accessing our website, our configuration, site settings, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to send a marketing campaign. So basically guys, here we have on the official odoo.com documentation page the email marketing and how to get started with using it. So this is going to enable you how to go ahead and enter your email marketing for your emails that you want to send to the users of your website. You're going to have your email marketing dashboard. So you're going to install the application. As you can see, there is an application to use email marketing, so you can follow the tutorial right here at the top of the screen. It's going to show you step by step on how to get started setting it up. And once you do that, you're going to be able to access your dashboard. From your dashboard, you can follow the rest of the steps right here. All of it is going to be available to you to show you how you can get started getting in touch with your users and your customers on your website, sending them emails, giving them campaigns, and so on. So if you want to go go to odoo.com documentation and take a look at this page. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.